Right, I've just got a new kit for the workshop from Banggood, and it's the 858D 700W Rework solder station for surface mounted rework. So it's basically an automatic heat gun station. It comes with all these tools here, and today I'd just like to do a short review of this one. So it arrived well packaged in a good quality cardboard box. It comes with a cable with the 3-pin design here. When it came with this plug on here, which isn't for the UK market. So I changed it for one of the UK standard plugs. This one just plugs into the back here. And when it arrived, it didn't have this part on the side, that was separate, and the two screws to secure this one were in this side of the unit, but you can also mount it on the left hand side if you want to, and that's for holding the Rework air gun when it's not in use. And the heat gun has this fitting on here, which simply plugs into the front of the Rework station with a collar that secures it. So now I'll plug it in and test it out. You have the on-off power switch on the front here, a nice LED display there, the temperature up on the left hand side here and down on the right hand side, and the control knob in the center here controls the airspeed. And the great thing about this unit, it has automatic startup when you tilt it. So when you put it back in the holder, it automatically turns off, and that's a great feature because you don't have to keep turning it on and off manually. And then you can alter the temperature with these buttons here. You can hold it in to go up maximum or whatever, or bring it down fast, or you can do it slowly. So that's basically it for the unit. It seems to be well made. The actual heat gun comes with 3 nozzles, different sizes, and you have to put the screws in and the nuts on them. It does come with 2 reels of solder there. You have like a brass brush there, and various different type tools. And then you have excellent quality tweezers, different shapes. You've got the curved ones there, the straight ones, and ones that you open out. And just before I finish, I'd just like to say you can get this unit in 110 volts for the American market, or 220 volts for the British market. At the moment it's on special offer. The whole kit is £45. So I think it's well worth the money, and I'll put a link below where you can actually purchase it for the £45 special offer. And I'll finish by showing some close-up photos of all the tools.